Hi, I'm Ben Swathwood, District Sales Manager for the Raptor and Carbon brands here at Keystone RV. Today, I'm standing in front of the brand new 2023 Raptor 424. This triple axle is 44 foot and 6 inches long and boasts a 13-foot garage. Let's start on the outside. The first and most noticeable is the new exterior graphics package for 2023. The black and gold updated graphics are sure to turn heads while you're driving down the road. The next feature that is new for 2023 is that Keystone has exclusively partnered with Dragonfly Energy to provide lithium batteries available to ship on all floor plans. These batteries pair very well with our built-in SolarFlex system. And speaking of SolarFlex, new for 2023, Raptor offers the SolarFlex 600i, which includes 600 watts of solar and 2 Dragonfly lithium-ion batteries. You can learn more information on our SolarFlex systems on our website, keystonerv.com/solarflex. Stepping over to the tires, I wanted to point out that standard on every Raptor is the Moride CRE 3000 suspension system with half-inch thick shackles and the wet bolt kit, which helps owners have a smoother and safer towing experience. Another new 2023 feature that I wanted to mention is our new drop frame, which allows for more exterior storage. The last thing that sets Raptor apart from the competition is our AlphaFlex roofing system. This roof is puncture and tear resistant. The adhesive system is 5 times stronger and is resistant to mold, algae, and fungus. Now that we've checked out some of the new exciting features on the outside, let's head inside. Here we are, finally inside of the brand new 2023 Raptor 424. This floor plan is packed with great features, so let's take a look. Starting in the living room, I want you to notice how roomy this feels. There are over 8-foot tall ceilings coupled with the large slide with massive windows, creating a more open concept. In this floor plan, you have not one, but 2 Thomas Payne recliners that provide cross-conversational seating that is directly across from the entertainment center, which features an elevator TV and fireplace. Turning our attention to the U-shaped kitchen, you'll notice our 2-tone cabinetry with the white uppers and natural toned lowers. The solid surface countertops are durable and ready for anything that comes their way. Another great feature in all Raptor kitchens is the soft close cabinet doors. Switching gears to our kitchen appliance package, you'll find a 30-inch stainless steel convection microwave, a 3-burner range, and 22-inch stainless steel oven. And new for 2023, all Raptor floor plans come standard with a 16.5 cubic feet, 12-volt refrigerator. I wanted to get into the details a little bit on the new 12-volt refrigerator because we're super excited to offer these. Some perks to 12-volt refrigerators are they run off your battery and your built-in SolarFlex system will charge it. You can safely run your refrigerator while driving down the road so that when you pull up to the campsite, your food is cold, and to top it off, the refrigerators are much more efficient than traditional RV refrigerators. Let's move on to the garage. This 424 floor plan features a 13-foot garage with a half bath. The standard queen bed happiJac system can easily sleep 4 people. A new 2023 feature in all Raptor floor plans is the larger dovetail storage near the patio. This dovetail storage fits your patio steps to get them off the floor of your garage. Let's go check out the front bedroom and bathroom suite. Up here in the bedroom, you'll notice the east to west bed slide. Storage is everywhere in this bedroom. The bed raises up for additional storage. This floor plan features a full front closet with washer dryer prep and a built-in dresser. Stepping into the bathroom, there is also no shortage of storage. Dual medicine cabinets, 4 large drawers, under sink storage, and an entire linen cabinet all seal the deal on this floor plan. Thank you for checking out the brand new Raptor 424. We are super excited to be showing off this floor plan. For more great content, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button below so that we can help you camp better.